Hi my dear students, welcome back to Tungal online classes. Myself Ravi, biology faculty. In the last class we had discussed regarding mollusca and echinodermata, and in this session I am going to start with the last phylum of non-chordate is Hemichordata. Hemichordata, it is a link between non-chordates to chordates. It is a connecting link between non-chordate to chordate. It means chordate characters or chordate organisms are the evolution is started from here. It is origin of chordates. Clear? And next, generally hemichordates are at the beginning the scientists are considered as it is a subphyla of chordate, but later the noticed true notochord is absent. Based on this nature, hemichordates are separated from chordate and kept under non-chordate. Clear? Hemichordate. In Greek language, hemi means half. Hemi means what? Half. And Horda means notochord. Horda means notochord. So these organisms are, these animals are of notochord animals. These are of notochord animals. First point. And these animals are connecting link between non-chordates to chordate. Non-chordates to chordates. Next, at the earlier, the scientists are considered that hemichordata is coming under chordate. But later, due to the absence of notochord, due to absence of true notochord, these are separated from chordate and given one separate phylum, that is which one? Hemichordata. Now it is coming under non-chordates. Next, as usual, some characters, basic fundamental characters. First, we are going to discuss regarding occurrence. Occurrence is, these are mostly marine. And here the body is look like as worm-like animals. Worm-like animals are coming under hemichordates. Next characters are like level of organization, symmetry, germ layers and coelom. These are, first one is level of organization is organ system level of organization. Remaining characters are same because it is advanced. Symmetry is mostly bilateral symmetry. Germ layers are 3 triploblastic germ layers, and coelom is present. True coelom, it means coelomates. It means coelomates. Clear? Next, if you focus on body, the body is smooth and a worm-like structure. Worm-like structure. The body we can divide into three parts. The body is divided into three parts. Such are, the first one is proboscis, proboscis, C silent, proboscis, SIS, proboscis. And the next middle part is collar, and the last part is tail. Last part is tail. So this is body organization. The first part is proboscis, second part is middle collar, and anterior tail. Next, here one of the major character is here enterocoelom, enterocoelomate. Enterocoelomate, generally it is a character of chordates. It is a character of chordates. Here enterocoelomate is again divided into three parts. One is procoelomates, metacoelomates, and mesocoelomates. Clear? Next character. Next character is regarding notochord. Notochord. Here notochord like structure is present, but actually it is not a true notochord. Here notochord like solid structure is present. That is called as stocochord. That is called as what? Stocochord. The stocochord, it is a character of stomochord. Stomochord. This stomochord, actually it is not a true notochord. True notochord. So that's why they are separated from chordate and again kept under non-chordate. The given one separate phylum also, that one is hemichordates. Next one is digestion system. Digestion system is complete digestion system. Digestion system is complete digestion system, we can notice. Next one, circulation. Circulation is here little bit reduced circulation system. The first point we have to write, the blood is colorless. The blood is colorless. And here in some members the blood is consist vanadium element is a respiratory pigment. Vanadium is act as a respiratory pigment. A respiratory pigment. Circulation type is open type of circulation. Open type of circulation. And one pulmonary heart is present. Pulmonary heart is present. Clear? This is regarding circulation. Next one is respiration. Respiration. Respiration is through gills. Through gills. Mostly through gills. Next, nervous system. Nervous system. Here, central nervous system is present. Central nervous system is present like chordates. Like chordates. Clear? Next character is excretion. Excretion. The excretion here glomerulus. Glomerulus. We will discuss when into the excretion regarding kidney anatomy. Then we will discuss what is glomerulus, glomerulus apparatus. Clear? Excretion through glomerulus as well as proboscis glands. Proboscis glands are present. So this is regarding excretion. Next, reproduction. Reproduction. The reproduction is sexual type of reproduction. Sexual. The species are mostly unisexual species. The species are mostly unisexual. Next, fertilization. Fertilization. Fertilization is mostly exterior or external fertilization. External fertilization. And development is indirect development. Indirect development. It means what? Larva stage we can notice. Larva stage we can notice. Clear? Complete order. These 11 phyla are arranged based on phylogenetical relationship. Primitive to advanced they are arranged. At the beginning, for example, notochord were not noticed. Here notochord like structure were noticed. In vertebrata, notochord is completely present, and later notochord is become as vertebral column. Like so, this is a complete evolution process. The animals are arranged from primitive to advanced character. Clear? So this is entire information regarding hemichordate. Where we have to focus? Hemi means what? Off chordate animals. These are connect to link to non-chordates to chordates. Earlier these are considered as chordate, but later they are separate from the chordate and kept under non-chordate. The reason is due to the absence of notochord. And next, here where you have to focus excretion system, which is glomerulus and proboscis glands are present here. Next, main characters are what? Main characters are like enterocoelom. Enterocoelom, it is a symbolic of evolution from non-chordate to chordate. Enterocoelom is a character of chordate, but we can see in a hemichordate also we can notice that character. And blood is colorless. Here respiratory pigment is vanadium pigment is present. Clear? Next, some of the examples of hemichordata. The first example is Belenoglassus. Second one is Saccoglossus. Belenoglassus, it is also called as tongue worm. And you know very well, hemichordates are which organisms are included in hemichordata? Worm-like marine animals are included in hemichordata. And here look at the body. Here the first part, and this is second part, and this is third part. The first part is proboscis, C silent, proboscis. Second, middle part is collar, and the last part is tail. Here, next, in development is generally indirect development. Larva stage we can notice. So this larva, it is little bit resemble to Echinodermata larva. So this is entire information regarding hemichordates. Next phyla is chordate. The chordate, the word, it is a combination of two words of Greek. The meaning of chordate in Greek language is consist notochord. Let's write chordate. It is a combination of the chordate, the word is a combination of two words, combination of two Greek words. The first word is chondra, means thick string, nothing but notochord, The next term is ata. Ata means to have. The chordator means what? The meaning is this organism which consists notochord throughout their life. Clear? So this is a meaning of chordate in Greek language. Next, the taxonomist or the taxonomist, zoologist, they said that nearly 90 to 95% of living animals on the earth which are belong to non-chordates. Clear? And remaining 3 to 5% of living animals on the earth which are belong to chordates. Which are 3 to 5% of animals are belong to chordates. Clear? In chordates, maximum animals are Pisces, nothing but fish or fishes. Maximum animals are, and least animals or minimum animals are which are amphibians. Clear? Chordata means what? Chordata means it is a literal meaning of present of thick string like structure is present. That is nothing but what? Notochord. Next, the scientist has says that 90 to 95% of living animals on the earth which are belong to non-chordates, and only 3 to 5% of animals which are belong to chordates. In chordates, maximum animals or which are belong to Pisces are nothing but fishes, and least animals are amphibians. Least animals are amphibians. Next, if it is a chordate, it have to show 4 fundamental characters. The main fundamental characters of chordates. The first one is presence of notochord, presence of nerve cord, and presence of gills, pairs of gills with a split. And the last character is presence of post-anal tail. So these 4 fundamental characters of chordates. First one is presence of notochord, and second one is presence of nerve cord, and third one presence of pharyngeal. Gills. And the last one is presence of post-anal tail. So these are the 4 fundamental characters of chordates. Clear? Let's see each and every character. The first character is presence of notochord. Generally, the notochord, the structure we can notice at embryonic development. During the embryo development, some rod-like structures are noticed. That is called as what? Notochord. That is, we notice during embryo development. During the embryo development, we can notice this structure. And during the embryo development, we know that 3 layers. In the 3 layers, the middle layer is mesoderma. Notochord, which is derived from mesodermal layer. Clear? Next, this notochord is like solid, flexible, rod-like structure. The notochord is what? Solid, flexible, rod-like structure we can notice. So that particular structure is called as what? Notochord. Where it is present? It is present generally in between nerve cord to alimentary canal. Clear? So for example, if you notice generally the body for here, generally the outlook of neurocord as well as notochord. This first outermost layer we can consider as this is body wall. This is body wall. Below the body wall here, this second it is nerve cord, and third one is this is notochord, and the last one, this one is alimentary canal. This is an arrangement of notochord as well as nerve cord in below the body wall. So where is the notochord? Notochord which is present between nerve cord to alimentary canal. In exam you have to write notochord is present below the nerve cord, and above the alimentary canal. In that way you have to write in the exam. Clear? Next, notochord, it is also act as endoskeleton. Which is give the support to the body. Clear? Next, based on present as well as absent of notochord, based on absent as well as present of notochord, they are again divided into two types. Organisms, animals are divided into two types. The first one is protonotochords or prochordates. Next, euchordates. Prochordates as well as euchordates. So prochordates means here notochord is present. Notochord is present throughout the life. Same structure is present. In euchordates, here what happened here, in larva stage we can notice notochord, and when it is become as adult, this notochord is changed and modified as vertebral column. Clear? So this is information regarding notochord. Presence of notochord, it is a main fundamental character of chordates. Clear? Next fundamental character is presence of pharyngeal gills. Second fundamental character is presence of pharyngeal gills. It is a second fundamental character of chordates. Here the pairs of gills which are present in pharynx. Pairs of gills are present in pharynx, which are useful for respiration. Here the pairs of gills are split or cleft like structure we can notice. This pharyngeal gills we can notice in embryonic stage. stage to adult stage. Adult stage. Here some species are aquatic species and some species are terrestrial species. Here if it is aquatic species, pharyngeal gills are present throughout the life. In case of terrestrial species, this pharyngeal gills we noticed in only embryonic stage. When this terrestrial species is become as adult, so these gills, pharyngeal gills, are gradually reduced and last lungs are formed in terrestrial species. So this is a second fundamental character of chordate, presence of pharyngeal gills, pairs of slit gills are present. Next, third character is presence of nerve cord. Here nerve cord is which is derived from ectoderma. This nerve cord is mostly single, hollow and tubular nerve. Nerve cord we can notice it. Clear? Next, nerve cord we noticed. So this nerve cord, the position is in between body wall to notochord. The exact position is dorsiventral or dorsal surface. These are dorsal surface, and below the body wall and above the notochord. So this is a character of nerve cord. Here first one is pharyngeal gills and next character is presence of nerve cord. It is a third fundamental character. So nerve cord is single, hollow, tubular nerve cord we can notice it. It is the location is between body wall to notochord. Exactly, it is below the body wall and above the notochord. So the presence of nerve cord, it is a basic fundamental character of chordates. And last character is, the fourth character is post-anal tail. Presence of post-anal tail. In some what happen, in some time this post-anal tail is reduced and become short. Clear? So these are the four fundamental characters of chordates. Clear? Next, let's see the difference between chordates to non-chordates. It is a 3-mark question. What is the difference between chordates to non-chordates? First point, what we have to write? Notochord. Notochord is present. Present of notochord, it is a fundamental character of chordates. In this case, notochord is absent. Notochord is absent. And the second character is nerve chord. Nerve chord is present. The nerve chord is single, halo, and single, halo, and tubular nerve chord we can notice. The position is dorsal side. Clear? And in this case, generally nerve chord is absent. If it is present, that one is pair solid. Pair and solid like structure we can notice. And the position is ventral. Position is ventral side. Next, third character is here, heart is present. The most of the spaces they can show the muscular heart. The heart position is ventral side. And in this case, notochord here, heart is absent. Generally it is absent. If it is present, it may be lateral side or maybe dorsal side. Clear? Next, gills. Pairs of gills are present. Pairs of gills. Here, pairs of gills are absent. Pairs of gills are absent. And last character is post-anal tail. In this case, post-anal tail is absent, but here sometimes we can notice pre-anal tail is present. Post-anal tail is absent. So this is the major difference in between chordates to non-chordates. Clear? First character is a notochord character, and as well as pharyngeal gills and a post-anal tail, and later nerve chord as well as heart. Clear? Next, some general, beside of this character, some general characters of chordates. Beside this character, beside of 4 fundamental characters and some of general character. So these characters are first organ system level of organization. Symmetry is bilateral symmetry. And true coelom is present. Coelomates. 3 germinates are present. Triploblastic. And digestion system is complete digestion system. And excretion system with the help of nephridia. Excretion system is present. Nephridia cells, pairs of kidney cells, like are. And one more character is endoskeleton. Here endoskeleton is present, which is made up of cartilage tissue or cartilaginous, or sometime bony endoskeleton also be present. Next, the development is maybe direct development, and some species are oviparous as well as viviparous. Clear? So first, four fundamental characters. Beside the four fundamental characters, these are some general characters of chordate.